Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of how to buy Odoo subscription. So first of all, here you will find a module for subscription. Open that and here you can see the subscriptions. So you can remove the filter and you can see all the subscriptions in here. Now after this, we are going to create a new subscription from here. Add a customer for the subscription. Here I will be adding Deco Addict or Azure Interior. I will be adding Azure Interior as my customer. Now in here you can see a field for recurring plan. So I will be adding my recurring plan as monthly. You can select monthly, yearly or 6 months. It is as per your choice. So I will be adding monthly as my recurring plan right now. So here you can see that you can select your yearly or 6 months, anything recurring plan as you want. So I will be adding monthly, and for until you can add the recurring plan and date from here. But I don't want to add the end date here, so I will just leave it as until because Azure is our good customer. In the price list, you can select any price list as you want. And in the payment terms, here end of following month is selected, but instead of that I am going to select 15 days or 45 days or anything. So I will be selecting immediate payment for payment terms. Now I am going to add my product into the order lines. So for the product I will be adding study table, and I am going to create a new product for study table. Click and create and edit. Here you can see the product name is study table. Under the general information, above the general information, you will find a checkbox for subscription. You can enable that for the subscription. Now we are going to the tab recurring plans. Here you can create your recurring plans by clicking on add a line. You can create a recurring plan. I will be adding monthly for recurring plans in here, and I am going to add my price as I want. Here in the sales price I will be adding $100 for a study table. Here you can see the sales price is $100, and in my recurring plan I will be adding recurring price as 100. Now we are going to save and close, but before that you can add the other recurring plans if you want to. Here you can update the recurring price also. So right now I'm just going to select my monthly recurring plan only. So I will be removing this. Now after this I'm going to click on save and close. Now a recurring plan is created for product study table. Here you can see the unit price. Here you can see the total amount for the study table. Now after this you can see the expiration date. So I will be adding expiration date for the end of the month. Here you can see I have added the expiration date for end of the month. Now here you can see I have created a quotation. So I'm just going to save this quotation. Here you can see a quotation is created. And after this we are going into the price list, and in here we are going to create a new price list. So I will be creating a new price list for my students. So I will be adding student discount for my price list. Now under that we are going to recurring prices. Here we are going to add our price rules. So I will be selecting study table as my product because it is a recurring or subscription product. And for the recurring plan I will be selecting monthly. So the price for the recurring will be $90 as it is a student discount. And under that I will be creating a new prices for study table, and the recurring plan will be yearly. And for that I will be adding $800 for my yearly recurring plan. So this much discount I am giving to my students. Here you can see a price list is created for the students. Now we will go into the subscriptions again, and not just in the subscription, but we will go into the quotations, and here we will find our quotation. Here you can see we have the quotation. Now if we go into the price list and we are going to change our price list to student discount. Now you will find the button for update pricing. So right now you can see the amount is $100. As soon as I click on update price, you can see the amount will be changed to $90 for study table, and the recurring plan is monthly. You can see the product is study table, unit price is 90, and the amount is also 90 in here. Now I'm going to send by email. Just click on send by email, and here you can see the template design. You can change if you want to change. Now click on continue, and in here you can see that we will redirect it to this wizard. Here you can see to email. Here we can see the subject. Here we can see the body of the email, that your quotation this, and the amount is this. You can just edit it if you want, and a PDF is also attached to this. Now click on send button. In the chatter also you can see that Michelle admin has sent an email to Azure Interior with the PDF attached. Now if we want to see it in the website or the customer portal, we will click on preview, and here you can see how it will look to the customer. Here you can see the quotation number. Here you can see your subscription details, your date, expiry date, plan, and everything. In here you can see the product, quantity, unit price, and everything. Now here you can see the payment terms are immediate payments. Customer can also chat with the admin from the communication history. Now you will find the button for sign and pay and reject. Now it is customer's choice. So as Azure is a good customer, so it will just sign and pay for this quotation. Just click on sign and pay, and here you can see a sign is automatically created for Azure Interior. Now click on accept and sign, and you can see that you need to pay it from wire transfer. You can see that your payment is being finalized. Here you can see that your payment is finalized with the signature. Now again we will go into the quotation, and here we are going into the subscription module again. Now we are going into our quotation number 40. Here you can see in the chatter that your payment for this is pending. So we are going to click on confirm, and here you can see the sale order is created for this quotation. Here after this we will see the amount is $90. After this we are going to create invoice, and we are going to create a draft invoice. Here you can see the draft invoice is created. Here you can see the product, amount, quantity, price, and amount. After this we are going to click on confirm, and here you can see a customer invoice is created. Now here you can see the sale order is created, and here you will find the next invoice date as for recurring plan. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box, and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.